Hi all, welcome back to my channel, and today let's see how to make watermelon lemonade. For this we need 250 grams of seedless watermelon cut in cubes, 2 tablespoons sugar, half lemon or 3 tablespoons lemon juice, half cup water and some ice cubes. Here I am going to prepare 1 glass lemonade, so all the ingredients are mentioned as per that. First, to a blender, add watermelon, sugar and lemon juice. Grind it well like juice. Next, filter grinded watermelon lemonade. This is done. Now add half cup water and give it a mix. For correct measurement, take water in a glass in which you are going to serve lemonade. Check for sugar. To a serving glass, add 2 ice cubes and pour our lemonade into it. Decorate it with a piece of lemon. So, our watermelon lemonade is ready to serve.